Roads are the backbone of any city, but they don't maintain themselves. Across the world, road infrastructure is aging, and the traditional inspection process hasn't kept up. Today, road assessments rely on a team of specialized workers driving expensive vehicles along routes, manually spotting and logging damage. It's slow and costly. Deep learning has changed what's possible in computer vision. Modern object detection models can analyze images in seconds with high accuracy. We ask, can we apply this to road infrastructure? And that question led us to build PatchGuard. The core problem is this: road damage, cracks, potholes, and surface corruptions goes undetected for too long because inspection is inexpensive and infrequent. By the time the damage is reported, small cracks have become costly repairs. What if every patrol vehicle, every city worker with a smartphone, could passively collect road imagery and feed it into an automated detection pipeline? Current solutions either require specialized hardware, like LiDAR-equipped vehicles, or rely entirely on manual reporting from citizens, which is inconsistent and geographically patchy. There's no scalable, affordable system that collects road images in the field, automatically classifies damage type and location, and presents it to decision makers in a clear, actionable format. That's the gap PatchGuard fills. The PatchGuard pipeline consists of three main steps. The first step is data collection. Field operators use our mobile app to capture road footage during regular patrols. The app calibrates camera exposure to reduce motion blur, tags every frame with GPS coordinates, and uploads them to our backend. The next step is inference. Overnight, our AI batch worker processes all uploaded images using YOLO26 small architecture, a state-of-the-art object detection model we trained on the road damage detection dataset. The final step is visualizing the results. Administrators can open the web dashboard and see a live map pinned with every detected damage location. Clicking any pin opens the annotated image, bounding boxes, damaged glass, and confidence score, right there, visually, with an ability to discard bad images. The result? Faster inspection cycles, more detailed damage assessment, and repair crews dispatched where they're actually needed. This is PatchGuard, scalable, interpretable, and built for the real world.